In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert images in Google Sheets. So you can see I've got different images here. I've got this image, this one, and I've got this one here which is actually within a cell. So these two I can just move wherever I want to. But this one is within the actual cell itself. Let me show you how I've done all of this though. So I'll delete those images there. Make the cell normal size. Let me show you how to insert into a cell first. Click on the cell that you want, then go to Insert, Image. You've got the two choices, Insert Image in Cell or Insert Image over Cells, which is what this one here is. We're going to insert it in the cell. You've got all these different options as to where you want it from. Do you want it to upload it from your computer, webcam, link it, photos, Google Drive or Google Images? So any of those. Let's upload it from your computer. So I'll click on Browse, then I'll look for it. So I'll go for this picture here. I'll open it. And there you can see a very small image has been inserted into the cell. Now what I need to do is just make the cell bigger, and then because I've made the cell bigger, the image becomes bigger. Remember, this is because I chose to insert it into the cell, and because it's in the cell I might want to change the location of it there and center it, or I could have it to the right. Also, because it's in a cell, it's got the normal cell functions, so I can actually drag it down and I can have all my images down here, so I can have it listed. What I need to do though is make the cells the appropriate size. So you get the idea as to how to do that now. Let me show you how I've inserted this image, which is one that you can move to wherever you want. So just click somewhere on the Google Sheet and go to Insert, Image, Insert Image over Cells. I'll use the upload option again and I'll browse. Let's add an image of this loving couple. There you go. So even though I have this one clicked, the image of them is there. To move them about and to resize them, I simply have to click on them and then move them to wherever I want them to be. I could resize them, I could stretch them like that. Look at that, beautiful. Do whatever I wanted with them. But you've always got to click on it to move it. Now you know how to insert images into Google Sheets. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more top tech tips.